Hey y'all, before we get to the video, I just want to let y'all know that I added some lost clips. So if you see me wearing two different things, that's what it is. Hope y'all enjoy. YouTube, as you can see, we back up here at Last Cast. They go to the truck, they about to stock the lake. And y'all can see it is raining out here. Got a nice group of people out here. But yeah, me, Nazir, my homie Mike, we about to go ahead and get on these fish, y'all. We'll get back with y'all. This one in the middle. Mike's getting the bite, y'all. He got one. He's on the board.
Hey, Mike.
See, I always got his back. As soon as he turned his back, I let him know. That's what I do.
That's what I do.
Yes, sir. I didn't even see you catch it.
I know.
I told you that corner right there be popping. So I said, you gotta start listening to me.
Yes, sir. On the bar.
Yes,
Number
sir.
2. Let that one look. Look, I found your hook. Whoa. Nah, it's mine. Oh. 4.
What's going on with you, bro?
Man, I gotta get out of here. That rain too much for me, man.
Yeah. You have any luck up there?
We got 8 of them up there.
Really?
Yep.
Yeah, he caught more. My boy right here probably caught about 8 or 10 of them.
You know what they hit up on there? This raw chicken.
Raw chicken?
Yep, nothing on it.
Nothing on it.
That's all we call them on.
Yeah.
They wasn't hit dip, they wasn't hit strawberry, nothing.
That's what we got. We ain't really getting no luck either.
And it's that cold front, man.
Yep.
That's what it is. All right, brother. Well, y'all have good luck, man.
Yep.
Keep making them videos, baby.
For sure.
I think so. Mike got a fish, chat. Check him out. He got another one, chat.
Another one, chat. Get it.
Mike said he came in locked and loaded.
No.
Yes, sir.
I said, what are you watching? Scary movies or something on your phone?
Old cold.
Oh, because I keep hearing.
Crank that. Get
Oh, that's that old Coleman.
Old
Yes.
Coleman. Delicious.
Nice there getting a bite, y'all. Look at him. Oh. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. There you go.
Is that the red one? Go, 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 go. He's gone. He's still gone. He's gone. He's still gone. He still got him, chat.
No, this not.
What did you for that? Go
Yes, sir. My boy Mike is tearing them up today. Get him, Mike. Go get him. Get him on the bank. Yes, sir.
Whole lot of gang shit.
Mike, it sounded like you said a whole lot of gang shit.
Shit.
Oh, that's what I was like. Did you say that?
Shit. Yeah.
Oh, monster.
Fish on, bobber down. Bobber down, fish on.
Hey, you already know what it is. Bobber down, fish on, baby. Yes, sir. Come on, y'all. Fish on. What is that? What's the...
Gee. I'm over here shaking like a stripper cat. It's cold. Sheesh.
All right, YouTube. So we about to go ahead and get up out of here. We had a good time. I got to catch up with my homie Mike over there. He did his thing today. And yeah, y'all. About to go on and get up out of here. Hope y'all enjoy the video. Peace.